shit.
I got that on camera.
That shit. Oh, fuck you up. What's up, y'all? So we are out here today and we're gonna work on Ruby. We're gonna put my rear shocks on, which I actually did not pull them out yet. They're tucked away in the garage. As you see, the squad is here today. Thought they were gonna do something. They're not gonna do anything to their cars today. They're just here for more support for Ruby. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it, get it on, and we'll see y'all in a little bit. So I said they're here for more support. As you see, they're just dicking around.
Beautiful. Beautiful stance.
You killed him when you did that. I didn't know him because he was just like, man, like pointed at me. Alright, but we got the KYB adjustable gas adjust shocks. So we're gonna put these in the back. Yo, I've had these for like 3 years when I first lowered my car. And like, I was missing a nut that they didn't send me. Now I got a nut. Now let's get these done. It's like I'm about to do a fucking nut.
Action.
Yeah, but fucking, you gotta be careful for the whatchamacallit. It's pretty hard, dude.
What else is blowing?
That sounds blown, dude. I need a 15 now. Nobody's not gonna see me like that. What the fuck? I'm just like backing up like this, man. Oh shit, that's a belt. That's fitting, but I bet you that gun ain't fitting. If I can break this bitch. Nobody can see this. Y'all want to see that, right? Because that was funny.
It has to. Why shouldn't it?
That's a big ass tank.
Oh, that's way too much fun with that.
I hope it doesn't rain, dude. This one will just ruin the party. Oh! I know, you feel it? I was like, damn.
Like it's just sprinkling, but it just is.
Alright, so the car lowered down. We're going to now go under and disconnect those shocks, which are, as you can see, they're so simple to get to. Super easy. And
Dude,
don't worry about the Mustang.
I mean, like possible.
No, it's fine, bro.
I got some pasta.
You gotta worry about it, bro. Nobody's even looking at it. I know nobody's looking at it. If you are, I don't care. Is it pretty wet? Oh, you're recording. Well, it's raining. It's raining right now, and it's so annoying. But all I gotta do is take this off and pull it down. Like, I'm so pissed off. It's so annoying. Hey, don't mind my white socks. Damn! I can't fucking fit that right there. Holy shit. Don't mind the socks. Bro. So annoying. Sucks. No fucking way.
What size is that?
Is that a fucking 18, dude? It's a 21. This is too big. Damn it! The fucking size I don't have. Nah, get like a nice. I got that. Easy as pie. Just like that.
Give me some fucking pie.
Dude, that's the weight. See if it's heavy.
Oh my
or not.
Sure.
Damn. Here we go. Stop. Dude. And as TJ Hunt says, garbage? Not garbage. It kills me.
I should have been the cow. Whoa. Let me know if you want to come out. I'll let you
Let me get that ratchet.
We never go get a shop together.
Dude, we get a shot together. I'm worried about fucking Devin and John. Let me see that.
What you mean I work for the money?
Oh shit.
I got that on camera.
That shit. Oh, fuck you up. Alright, so the rain picked. I hope that's not blurry for y'all, but the rain picked back up. I'm gonna let John do the other side. Get some knowledge under your belt. It doesn't have a ball on it, so you that's why you gotta put it on first. On the boat first.
Where's the boat?
You just gotta be a pro like your boy. I'm a tool
So
daddy.
you gotta put it on there first.
And then just hit it. My back is getting soaked, B. Yeah, just keep going until it comes off. He was like, damn.
You should take it off.
Yeah, you can take off the hands. Good John, changing strut. Oh, sharks. Fuck the. Alright, yeah. And then that goes from the outside in.
Yeah, I think so.
Outside in. You know what I'm saying? Bro, getting it in. No,
Slides in.
Yeah, slide it in. Just slide it through.
All the way through.
There it is. John putting in shots, bro.
Ain't that one?
He got spooked.
That scared me.
So now you gotta hand tighten it.
I don't know how many
So you can't.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I mean, so you yourself can't do it. Now I'll just get down and check it a little bit. Alright, so screwed up a little bit. Nothing major, but just forgot that the bushing from the older one is still got left in the corner. I didn't even notice it. So gotta take this back out, which isn't much to do. It's kind of annoying to do. So not really trying to do it. So annoying. Now let's just sit up in here. Oh, should be good. Damn, I'm just all over my nose. Let's pinch the hell out of my finger. Not for this. Man, tighten it down.
Y'all see my man's tricep muscle. It ain't from the gym either. Y'all know what I'm talking about.
Alright, y'all, so right now what I'm gonna do, right before I jack it up, if y'all remember, like way back when the channel first started, my car was out of commission because of this puppy right here. So while I'm under here, I'll make sure nothing's really leaking. And also, let's take it back a little bit. The drive shaft bolts, if y'all can see them. Yeah, make sure these are nice and not loose, because that's how I bucked up my last one, which is really annoying. So we're gonna make sure all this is nice and tidy and operable, which actually looks really good. It's really, really good. I think we're good. I think we're good, boys. I think we're good. All right, boys. Well, that's it. Add them on. Really sucked. Well, that wasn't that bad. But the fact I had to improvise because I didn't have a part that I needed. It's really shit. It's okay. We got through it. We made it. Did I know how to do this from the start? Sort of, kinda, because I did it 3 years ago. So it's kind of off the head, but we made it. And now let's air my tire and see how it looks. It probably doesn't look any different, but let's just see what it looks like. Oh, I fucked myself on that, dude. Okay. Jacket! Did not do it.
Don't do it too. I would hit you and hit me. Ooh, you ugly.
So, what? To the brakes. Oh yeah, those, yeah. Well, honestly, it's the same, to be real. But I get a nice new shot. Oh, you can't even see it from there. We just got nice new shots. So, hope y'all enjoyed that. It was pretty good. Now I got these new shocks. Blah blah. Shocks. Damn. Finally got those on. And now, so I hope, like I said, y'all enjoyed it. But I'll probably take it out for a little bit and see how it cruises. So I'm gonna end it off here, and I hope I see y'all next time. Don't know what we're doing next. Probably event. Probably working on one of these things. They're both gonna get lowered. This one's gonna be on springs. This one's gonna be on coilovers. And hopefully before Street Car Takeover, which is 2 weeks, August 3rd and 4th. Getting both days. Hopefully I can go see Cletus, 1320, all those guys. And until then, y'all, take it easy, and I'll holler. Also want to add in that I finally hit 60 subs, and I want to thank Brianna, my boy's girl. She got me to 60 subs, which I love it, and we just keep growing, and we're gonna continue to grow, and y'all are on the ride with me to make it to 1,000. So, like I said, until then, take it easy.